Assalamu alaikum everyone. So today I'm here to be a part of conservatives. I am here to present an ideology called conservatives. Okay, so firstly we will start with who were conservatives and their role in the society. So conservatives were the peoples who believed that traditional institutions like monarch, church, that should be preserved in the society. They supported the church, the ideals of king and nobles, because they thought that if we will support these tradition, we will preserve our tradition and culture, we will maintain a better stability, a better peace in our society. So during the French Revolution, conservatives opposed the radical reforms because they felt that rapid change would destroy the stability in the society. It will destroy the peace in the society. It will cause chaos and messes in the society. So rather than a violent and a sudden change, they believed in a smooth, a gradual and a slow change. So, in short, conservatives were the peoples who stood for the tradition, stability and gradual change, not complete transformation of society. So, their main points are: sudden change is dangerous because they believe if the change came fast, it will not maintain stability and peace in the society. So, therefore, they preferred the gradual change as compared to sudden and fast change. Their second belief is traditions give stability. Institutions like monarchy and church had kept society under control, and by preserving our traditions and cultures, people will be united. Experience is important. They believe that if we will give power to common men, it will cause chaos, it will cause messes. So therefore they preferred nobles and clergy members rather than a common man. And the fourth point in which they believed is gradual reform is better. Conservatives were not against change. No, it's nothing like that. They were not against change. But they wanted a change, a slow change, which will not affect the stability in the society. And their core beliefs: protection of tradition, monarchy, and church. Change should be slow and gradual. And their advantages: stability in society, prevents chaos and messes and violence, respects experienced and institution. Conservatives believe that traditions and institutions are important for a stable society. They were not against progress, but they wanted change to happen carefully and peacefully. So therefore, they preferred a gradual change, not the complete transformation of the society. Thank you.
I'm favoring liberalism right now. So you just said that you prefer gradual change, right? तो just give me an example. आप मुझे एक example दो history में जहाँ आपने एक change लाई है. आप बोले that we didn't oppose the change. आपने बोला that हम change को oppose नहीं कर रहे थे. We wanted gradual change. आप मुझे एक example दो history में जहाँ पे आपने change लाई है.
Okay, gradual change. Okay, let's talk about French Revolution. You know, when all the control and all the power was under king, and after that, when the members of third estate began that the king is only having the power, we should have two. So king actually gave them power by transformating constitutional monarchy. So they made the constitution for the France.
Oh, my question goes to you is that हम liberals, we also prefer constitutional monarchy, and you are seeing as per you. But the word constitution doesn't mean same for everyone. For us, देखो आज हम प्रेजेंट डे है ना. आज कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन क्या होता है? द लॉ इज अबव एवरीवन. ठीक है, एवरीवन कैन पार्टिसिपेट इन एनी पॉलिटिकल अफेयर्स. ओके, दिस इज कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन फॉर अस. ओके, लेकिन जो 19th सेंचुरी और 18th सेंचुरी है उसमें इस वर्ड को बहुत बहुत लूजली लिया जाता था. एज दिस इज रिटन हियर, For example, constitutional monarchy, Britain after 1688, ये एक एग्जाम्पल है constitutional monarchy की, जहाँ king तो होता है लेकिन वो किसके हिसाब से चलता है? वो constitution के हिसाब से चलता है. Okay. Now the question is, what was constitutional monarchy for conservatives? पढ़ा है. King was the central authority. Constitution was an advice, not control. Parliament was a helper, not ruler. King still had the real power. आप लोग बोल रहे हो that we are favoring constitutional monarchy, okay? But still, King had the real power. Constitution only limited him slightly. And you are calling this constitutional monarchy? Now I will tell you, I will break this down for you. Why did you call this constitutional monarchy? There were some reasons. The first reason you call it this constitutional monarchy, which is actually absolute monarchy. You are just naming this constitutional monarchy. This is not constitutional monarchy. This is absolute monarchy. The constitutional monarchy was to stop the revolution. If we would देखो, अगर conservatives openly कहते, then कोई not absolute monarchy. Obviously people rebel करते ना. People were against absolute monarchy, right? अगर तुम लोग ये कहते हो, so what will happen? Protest होगा, people rebel करेंगे. So to stop the revolution, you name it as constitutional monarchy, okay? You said that we support a constitution, but kept the king powerful. Was this your constitution? But you need to understand this, that this is not called a constitutional monarchy.
Means अपनी
The fact from us that we are favoring gradual change, violent change. You may example violent.
Yes.
Sir, I have already told you that we supported the gradual change, but not just the complete transformation of the society. So
That's fine. This is okay.
calling our change to just show the people that to stop the revolution, but it's nothing like this. Change do not happen suddenly. So today, if the people believe that king should not have the absolute power, so what was the main objective of the people to make the constitution? The main object of the people to make constitution was to limit the powers of the monarch. So we conservatives believe in a slow change, a gradual change, not just a transformation of the whole society. We will not be like this, oh, I'm king and I will give power to you guys so you may rule it however you want. No, it's nothing like that. First we made a constitutional monarchy, after that we will bring some another change, but it's but not only to show people that we made a constitutional monarch, but it was to actually make them realize that we support change. And if today we have made a constitutional monarchy, tomorrow we will take any other action to support the ideas and views of the third estate.
I am from the group C, radicals. So my question is very simple, Ronak. If all system were good, why did people protest against them? आपने हमें बोला कि ट्रेडिशन में उस ज़माने में बहुत अच्छी तरीके से, मैं आपकी फ्रेंच रिवॉल्यूशन की एक एग्जांपल दे दूँ, ठीक है? हमें सर ने पढ़ाया वो, तो आप पहले एग्जांपल वहाँ पे लो. जो किंग था वो उनके साथ ठीक कर रहा था, तभी पानी टेस्ट खत्म, सोच हम लूटा, फिर वो गरीब हो अमीर पे तो वो जुल्म करता ही नहीं था. सो थर्ड स्टेट वाला नहीं, तुम ही दो, इसका भी टैक्स, उठने का भी टैक्स, बैठने का भी टैक्स, दाएं का भी टैक्स, बाएं का भी टैक्स. ये ठीक था आपके हिसाब से?
No, it was completely wrong. But we conservatives believe that we will bring a gradual change. Firstly, जब पार्लियामेंट में जब मीटिंग हुई, जो थर्ड स्टेट के मेंबर्स हैं, they called themselves as a national assembly and they swear that we will not leave the Versailles until we will write the constitution for the whole France. So they wrote the constitution for the whole France. King was willing to bring a change in the society. Now you are calling it a absolute power.
किंग तब तक जब तक औरत उस कदर पहुंच गए कि वो तुमको बेकरी दुकान पर हमला, तब तक अब ग्रेजुअली चेंज ला रहे थे. अब उस टाइम भी ग्रेजुअली चेंज लाओगे जब तक इंसान मर जाएगा.
Yeah, your question is very good, but who wrote the constitution of the France? That was not king who wrote the constitution of the France.
Yes.
They were the members of third state who wrote the constitution of France. So do not now worry that it's the fault of king. No, it's not the fault of king. It's fault of the king, both the king as well as the members of third state. So you can't say that this is your fault only.
एज यू हेयर तुम्हें प्रूव करना है दैट मेरी आइडियोलॉजी जो वो सही है. ओके,
नेम वन कंट्री इन विच आपकी जो आइडियोलॉजी है उसको फॉलो किया जाता है स्ट्रिक्टली एंड वो प्रोग्रेसिव है एंड डेवलप्ड है. नेम
Today.
ओके डू यू नो
Today. Yes.
Do you know more developed than our countries? The countries believe that we are developed, but they are more developed than us. Do you know about Saudi Arabia? Yeah, I know. So you just asked me to give you example. I will not give you only example about one country. I will give you example of many countries. UAE, Saudi Arabia, UK, Japan. Do you know about
Qatar.
these countries? They are more developed than us. So now you are calling that conservatives were wrong, monarchy is wrong. They are more developed than us. So how you can say?
I just tell you, talk about today's generation. Gen Zs, we all know.
Yeah.
We want freedom, है ना? We want
Yeah.
freedom, and we want like freedom in everything. But traditions, your ideology is saying that respect elders, don't question elders. Because of that, जो हमारी generation है, जो हमारा youth है, हमारे nation का जो youth है, we're talking about India, not any country. We're talking about India. उसमें क्या होता है जो creativity होती है that dies. Because of this, when we have to obey the elders, we have to not question the elders, even though that are wrong. What is this?
No, your point is absolutely correct. We conservatives were claiming that we will give the freedom for the whole society. So you liberals, you believe in individual rights, not for the society. If you are claiming that I should have rights, I should have rights, so what will happen about the society? We conservatives believe in that if we will bring any change that will support the whole society, not just for the king or his members. So you are claiming that we were wrong.
Yeah. देखो यहाँ से हमें खुद ही पता उठ रहे थे किसका Gen Zs की freedoms का because of your blind traditions.
No, our tradition. Yeah, we know there were some drawbacks. There was some orthodoxy in our
We have
traditions.
to accept it.
We will accept it, but we were gradually transforming. We were gradually changing. So you can't say
What is the
that.
time limit for your gradual change?
It may last.
Okay, if a person is discriminate, okay, देखो एक person को किया जाता है discriminate right now, उसको क्या wait करना पड़ेगा? 10 years, 20 years right now this time, उसको उस time भी 10-20 years wait करना पड़ेगा for your gradual change. No,
It's not like that. But give me an example of the countries who are progressing with the conservatives ideology. So I gave you example not just of only one country. I gave you example of ample countries. So they are the countries which support the monarchy. They are the countries in which monarchy government is running, and they are more progressive and developed than us. So how would you?
but what about the
So I'm from Radicals. मैंने कल भी बोला था क्वेश्चन आप लोगों से तो आप लोगों ने जवाब भी नहीं दिया वहाँ
Okay, well.
सो मेरा क्वेश्चन ये है कि हमें सभी लोगों को पता है कि इनके ट्रेडिशंस क्या क्या है मोनार्की है ये सब कुछ नहीं हमें ओल्ड लोगों की वो माननी चाहिए अगर वो बोलते हैं देखिए मैं एग्जांपल दूंगी आपको कि दैट अगर हम आज चाइना की बात करें वहाँ पे क्या है अगर मैं एक बूढ़े आदमी को आज घर में रहूँगी ना तो मुझे पता है कि उसके पास गाइडेंस है मेरे लिए उसके पास एक्सपीरियंस है अगर मैं उसको बोलूँगी दैट आज ऐसा AI है सिस्टम कि वो मुझसे बात कर सकता है क्या वो मानेगा इसको नहीं मानेगा ना मैं यही बोल रही हूँ अगर तुम लोगों के ट्रेडिशंस है हम रेडिकल्स बोलते हैं कि हाँ हम लोगों को ट्रेडिशंस हम लोगों के ट्रेडिशंस को क्या करना चाहिए हाँ हमें पता है कि हमें उसकी इज्जत करनी चाहिए मगर उन ट्रेडिशंस को नहीं जो क्या करे जिनसे इनजस्टिस हो रहा है उनको हमें ख़त्म करना चाहिए हमारे पास ऐसे इंस्टीट्यूशंस है जो इसको बोलते हैं कि हाँ ऐसी ट्रेडिशंस है मगर तुम लोगों ने इंस्टीट्यूशंस भी ऐसे ही बनाए जो किनको सपोर्ट करे प्रिविलेज्ड पीपल्स को जैसे लाइक किंग्स अगर तुम लोगों को इतना ही था ना तुम लोगों ने क्यों दिया मोनार्की कि दैट किंग ही एरिस्टोक्रेट्स को क्यों दिया तुम लोगों ने राइट्स क्यों नहीं ऑर्डिनरी पीपल
Okay, well, I will give you the answer for this question. So you claim that why we didn't give power to the government. Do you know an example of Robespierre? He was from liberal group. So when we
Yes.
Radicals.
He belonged to the liberal.
liberals,
No, sir, he was a radicalist.
He was elected by the people. No, no.
you are claiming that we didn't give power to the government. So when we were in a phase that will change gradually, so we
तुम लोग सिर्फ हाँ मुझे पता है तुम लोग चाहते हो कि ग्रेजुअल चेंज मगर ऐसे भी कोई सिचुएशन होती है जहाँ पे अर्जेंट चेंज की जरूरत मैं अगर तुम लोगों को ग्रेजुअल चेंज करनी हम बोलेंगे हाँ दैट तुम लोग करो आप ग्रेजुअल चेंज मगर वहाँ पे तुम लोग बोलते हो कि अगर हमें ग्रेजुअल चेंज करनी है मगर हमारे ट्रेडिशंस को कुछ नहीं होना चाहिए ये क्यों ट्रेडिशंस इन जस्ट
yeah, ट्रेडिशंस में इनजस्टिस है, लेकिन सबसे पहले इनजस्टिस से पहले ना इंसान की आइडेंटिटी होनी चाहिए। एंड वही
मुझे पता है तुम लोग देते हो रोल तुम लोग देते हो लोगों को कि हाँ रोल है, तुम लोगों ने रखा है रोल्स किस में सोसाइटी को कि दैट अगर एक किंग है उसके लिए अलग रोल है, इसको पता है कि मुझे क्या करना है अपनी जिंदगी में। क्या वहाँ पर मुझे मेरा ये सवाल है कि वहाँ पर लोगों को तुम लोगों ने डिसाइड किया रोल्स ऑन द बर्थ एंड ट्रेडिशन पर, क्या वहाँ के
हम जो कंजर्वेटिव्स है ना, हमारा ये बिलीफ है ना, जब कोई चेंज आएगी ना दैट शुड बी फॉर द होल सोसाइटी। हम तुम लोगों की तरह इंडिविजुअल राइट्स पे नहीं जाते ना। जब हम हर कोई इंडिविजुअल राइट्स पे, हाँ इंडिविजुअल राइट्स क्लेम करेगा तो सोसाइटी में क्या होगा?
वो उन लोगों का इंडिविजुअल राइट्स, वो बोलते हैं कि हर एक हम भी मानते हैं, मगर हम बोलते हैं कि दैट सोसाइटी जो है ना वो सारी जो है ना हमें रूट चेंज लाने, हमें लगता
बस।
है that तुम लोग जो ये सारे इंस्टीट्यूशंस हैं ये सारे जो है ना ये सारे
बस।
हमें लगता है ये सारे खत्म है, ये सब
बस,
कुछ
जवाब सुनो आप।
कुछ है ही नहीं कि जैसे कि वो एक क्या एक इंसान को क्या इक्वल राइट्स दे सके।
बस जवाब सुनो, लास्ट जल्दी।
तुम्हारा ये है कि हम इक्वालिटी को बिल्कुल ही मतलब हमने उसको लड़ के रख दिया है। आप बात कर रहे हो इक्वालिटी, ठीक है, तो आपने बीच में मुझे ये भी बोला कि हम कॉमन मैन को क्यों नहीं देते पावर, ठीक है। सो जब कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल मोनार्की फ्रांस बनी, आफ्टर दैट जब पावर किन के हाथ में आई, जैकोबिन्स के हाथ में आई ना पावर, तो वो किस स्टेट से बिलोंग